Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and review about the PopSocket case. For those who don't know what it is, I will give you a brief intro about it. Well, PopSockets are small sticky objects which can be attached to any of your device. But when it is attached directly to your device for a longer period of time, it will leave an impression of glue which doesn't go for a while. To avoid these type of problem, I came up with a better version of it, that is PopSocket case. It is available in 4 various colors: black on black, blue on purple, blue on grey and black on grey. The box shows various functions about it, so let's check out and do its unboxing. The case is made up of hard silicone and comes with a pair of pop sockets located on the back. While inserting your phone in the case, you have to apply a little pressure so that the case can hold it properly. The case is light in weight, which is a good thing that it doesn't make your phone bulky. So let's check out its various functions and usage in different scenarios. It is currently available only for iPhone SE, 5s and 5, but soon it will be available for other models too. Talking about its usability, like you can hold your phone with the help of upper pop socket. In this way you are decreasing the probability of dropping your phone. By doing the same, you can take better pictures as this will increase the stability of your hand. So less the shaky your hand is, more the accuracy you will get. Similarly, you can use more functions by popping out the lower pop socket. For instance, you can make your phone stand horizontally while doing FaceTime or Skyping. This will be very helpful for the most, as you can keep it on your table or any flat surface. The best part is that while typing you can hold the pop socket and make yourself more comfortable, as it will provide an additional grip which will help you in both vertical and horizontal positions. This also works as a stand to your phone, which can be used for watching videos on YouTube, or you can do surfing as well. As I always keep my earphones in my pocket, but I end up with the tangled earphones whenever I take it out. So this case gave me a fantastic solution, like you can wrap your earphone wire around the pop socket. In this way you can listen to your music without wasting any time in solving wire puzzles. It may also be attached to your laptop, so in this way you can monitor both devices simultaneously. Another good feature is that it is made so slim that it can easily fit in your pocket without taking much space. This is it guys. Personally, I am looking forward to use it as my daily case, as it gives a rigid protection with a pair of pop sockets which can be used for various purposes. If you like our video, please give the thumbs up and click on the subscribe button which is present on the right bottom corner to get linked with us. Peace out.